We don't need a night light, cause we're already glowing in your lifetime. No one's ever shown you what we're showing tonight. Watch our young eyes light up the night sky. We ain't even scared of the monsters in our closets that made.
Alright guys, we are still in the workshop here on signs and symbols. And as you would know, in any workshop you have several tools that you use. And here on Signs and Symbols, we do our best to try to explain some of this stuff to you. And I'm sitting here with Brooke Bryan, who I love. You love him, I love him, we all love him. And we're kind of, again, Masonry kind of takes over our lives a lot.
I think we've been talking about Masonry all day today.
All day today.
One way or another.
One way or another. And of course, one of the tools that I have here in my little maker space is the level. Tell us about the level and what it means.
You know, we were just sitting here working on our next project, and I don't even know where it came from, but I grabbed this level and I was like, this reminds me of so many Masonic principles. One of which, as we're using it here, we use it to measure and lay out our work, right?
That's what it's for.
But look at it from this perspective. We meet on the level. As you can imagine, in Masonry, in any lodge, there are tons of people in there, and they have different careers. They have different wealth statuses. They have different of everything. One guy might pull up in an old Chevrolet, and the other guy might pull up in a Rolls Royce. But when we meet on the level, which means at equal level ground. This person in the Rolls Royce is no different or no better than this person in the Chevrolet. This guy that makes $300,000 a year is no better. I'll use me. I own a carpet cleaning company, man. You know? I mean, you can't get any more labor than that. But we all meet on the same level. We're no better than anybody else. And our goal, you know, and I think I said it before, when we're trying to raise each other up and make ourselves better than than we were yesterday. Our goal is, when we're going to that next level, we reach our hand out so we can bring those brothers with us. We want everybody to succeed. We want everybody to do better. And this is something that you don't have to be a Mason to do. You could do this as any person, in any job setting, in any public setting that you could be in. This is something you can practice with everybody. We're no better than the next person beside us. We're just all going through different challenges in life.
All equal. I like that concept. So what makes us all equal? What is that thing that we all share that makes us equal?
Consciousness.
Right?
You've got something else in mind.
Plus a shared experience.
Well, my experiences may not be shared with yours every day, but
we do have one.
We do have one. You know, and I would like to see every other man out there coming and joining those experiences with us.
Yeah. And I think it's important to also note that this isn't just a concept of Freemasonry. This is just a concept of being a dude at the end of the day.
A good dude.
A good dude, right? Right? It's hard not to judge me.
No,
it's hard.
Absolutely.
Right?
We're all still an imperfect creation.
Yeah, it becomes hard. But just because it's hard doesn't mean it shouldn't be done. Right?
That's right. And you know what makes it easier to perfect ourselves? Having a straight line on that level,
yeah,
to walk on.
I don't know about this one. This is a little old. We do the best we can.
We can make circles with that.
Very cool. So the level. Meeting on the level, being on the level, just being honest, upfront, and treating everybody equally is something that we teach in Masonry.
Yeah, I mean, we teach the fundamentals of just being a good human being. And you can't get any better of a human being than just treating people as you want to be treated, as equals.
Would you say that the key is to get out of yourself and be part of the world, or ignore the world and get into yourself?
That's a good question. But you know, ultimately, you want to be yourself and get out into the world. You want to share your experiences with everybody, and you want to listen to everybody when they share their experiences with you. That's how we grow.
I think that's smart.
We definitely have different opinions on things in life, but we don't let it affect the way we treat one another.
It's good. It's deep. I didn't mean to get that deep. It's good. All right.
Always swim with the deep end.
Any parting words and signs and symbols?
Words and wisdoms? No, man. Just live your life and just try to be the best version of you that you can be today.
Always be on the level. All right. Thank you for doing this. Appreciate it.
Absolutely. Thanks for the questions.
And remember, never look down on anybody unless you're doing what?
Picking them up.
Picking them up. Let's go.
Watch your young eyes light up the night sky.
Who cares if we're famous? Cause the stars already know what our name is. And it's starting to align. We'll be lighting up the night. Nobody gonna tame